Hi, I'm Patrick from SuperU. Today I'm going to introduce a new car display fixture to you. So let's have a look. For this car display fixtures, we have two versions for different sizes of car, and they are both made of iron, acrylic, paint MDF, and we add LED light strip around within the display fixture, so you can see that the car can be shown clearly. And there will be a door with lock for the car, so you can keep the car safe. And it is very easy to open. You can see. And now it is locked. For this one, the height of each shelf is about 14 centimeters. And for this one is for smaller car, the height is about 9 centimeters. If you want to show different size of car with one fixture, we can also make it adjustable shelves. If you have any projects under processing and you are looking for similar car display fixtures, please feel free to contact us. We can help you make it come true.